4x4 camper vans fuse the unyielding might of off-road prowess with the ingenious design of a home on wheels. Brace yourself for an unparalleled voyage, as in this video, we'll showcase the 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. Step into the realm of off-road wanderlust with the Davey Jackson, a captivating 4x4 camper van meticulously crafted by Off-Highway Vanz. Named in honor of the intrepid explorer Davey Jackson, this compact powerhouse is built upon the indomitable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, combining the best features of the 170 chassis within a more agile 144 size. Prepare to traverse the farthest reaches and conquer the most formidable terrains without breaking a sweat. From the moment you step inside the Davey Jackson, you're enveloped in an aura of audacious exploration and limitless possibilities. The interior is ingeniously designed to strike the perfect balance between comfort and functionality, catering to the needs of even the most discerning adventurers. Behold the well-appointed kitchen boasting an undermounted sink that beckons you to prepare sumptuous meals after a day of conquering the great unknown. No longer confined to canned beans and dry sandwiches, you can savor hearty and satisfying dishes that replenish your energy for the next escapade. But that's not all. The Davey Jackson reveals its audacious side with a garage spacious enough to accommodate not just one, but 2 mountain bikes. Yet, what truly sets the Davey Jackson apart is its unrivaled off-road prowess within its modest dimensions. This mighty camper van fearlessly treads where others falter, tackling rugged terrain with ease and surmounting challenges that lie in wait. Whether you're traversing rocky crags, navigating dense forests, or conquering vast deserts, the Davey Jackson stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration, propelling you towards the most remarkable destinations imaginable. Prepare to be captivated by the unrivaled force of the Rebellion, a true off-roading titan crafted by the ingenious minds at RP Motorhomes. This formidable beast is purpose-built to conquer the most unforgiving terrains, propelling you towards the hallowed grounds that lie beyond the pavement. At first glance, the Rebellion's powerful features are apparent, boasting a robust 4x4 drivetrain, specially designed off-road wheels, and formidable tires. These elements combine to deliver a surge of raw power, but the Rebellion's true prowess goes far beyond its mechanical brawn. Step inside this off-grid wonder, and you'll discover a world of self-sustainability and boundless adventure. With an enlarged water tank and cutting-edge power management systems, the Rebellion becomes the epitome of an off-grid haven. No longer bound by the limitations of traditional campsites, you can roam freely, secure in the knowledge that your vehicle is equipped to provide all the essential comforts, even in the remotest of locations. But it doesn't stop there. The Rebellion's interior design seamlessly merges practicality with luxury. The elevated lounge area effortlessly transforms into a cozy bed for 2, offering a restful haven after a day of adrenaline-fueled exploits. Imbued with aftermarket lights that radiate a brilliance beyond compare, this mighty machine illuminates the darkest paths, ensuring that no adventure is cut short by the veil of night. Whether navigating treacherous landscapes or simply setting up camp under a starry sky, The Rebellion stands as a beacon of light and a symbol of unwavering resilience. Prepare to embark on an off-roading odyssey like no other with the awe-inspiring Nomad Vanz Canoe, a 4x4 camper van that marries breathtaking design with unbeatable performance. Its vibrant appearance turns heads wherever it goes, while its premium build ensures unmatched capability for extreme off-roading. Inside, you'll find a blissful haven that invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're seeking a weekend getaway or embarking on an extended expedition, the Nomad Vanz Canoe is the ideal choice. Its impeccable design and remarkable features make it a camper van that effortlessly combines style and functionality. With the Nomad Vanz Canoe as your companion, you have the freedom to explore wherever your heart desires, knowing that you have a reliable and versatile vehicle at your service. Next on the list, here's the outside van Ristretto, a custom van conversion that seamlessly blends captivating design with an array of impressive features. Built upon the robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170 dually chassis, this van is a testament to exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. The 3500 dually chassis, equipped with an agile off-road suspension kit and a built-in onboard air compressor, ensures that no terrain is too challenging for your adventures. Step inside the Ristretto and you'll find yourself immersed in a culinary haven. The custom galley steals the spotlight, boasting a sliding stowaway coffee bean grinder and a compact countertop espresso machine, perfect for brewing your favorite cup of joe while on the road. The glass induction countertop adds a touch of elegance, inviting you to whip up gourmet meals while embracing the freedom of van life. Luxury meets functionality in the Ristretto interior, with premium still leather material adorning the walls and ceilings, creating an ambiance of elegance and comfort. The Webasto diesel heating system, Max Air 10-speed ceiling fan, and rooftop air conditioner offer unparalleled climate control, ensuring your comfort in any season. Every inch of the Ristretto is meticulously designed for optimal functionality. With over 6 feet of hand-built cabinet space, convertible dinette with storage drawers, swiveling lagoon table, and 3-panel bed platform offer versatile seating and sleeping arrangements, adapting effortlessly to your changing needs. Wrapping up with the adventure Fitouts No Gray Daze, a van built to conquer rough and rugged terrains while indulging in the luxuries of nomadic living. This exceptional companion is designed for two, offering a layout that maximizes garage space without compromising on comfort and style. It comfortably accommodates 2 people while optimizing storage space. With the Stage 4.3 system from Van Compass, it effortlessly handles any terrain. Inside, the Flare Space sleeping pods offer a spacious and comfortable bed, complemented by premium 2-pack painted cabinets for ample storage. The well-equipped kitchen features a stainless steel sink, matte black tap, Suffery dual induction cooktop, and Bushman fridge. The leg and table provides a convenient dining surface. The No Gray Daze combines adventure-ready features with luxurious amenities, enabling you to embark on unforgettable journeys while enjoying the comforts of nomadic living. Okay, that was our video on the 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.